Hello student, today we are going to learn an important topics SAPT in parallel. Chapter name Torsion of circular shaft under strength of materials. First, what is parallel shaft? When one shaft is connected to the other shaft so as to surround it, that means covered it, the two shafts are said to be connected in parallel. When one shaft is connected to the other shaft so as to cover just like tube, then two shafts are said to be connected in parallel. Okay, this is shaft 1, this is shaft 2. Shaft 2, this inner shaft is solid. Shaft 1, outer shaft is hollow. Hollow shaft 1 covered the solid shaft 2 just like tube. Length of hollow shaft and length of solid shaft is same. That means L1 equal to L2. Let T be the applied torque. T be the applied torque which is distributed to the shaft by T1 and T2. So T equal to T1 plus T2. Okay. Now torque transmitted by each shaft, shaft 1 and shaft 2 is different. Angle of twist theta is same for shaft 1 and shaft 2. That means angle of twist theta equal to theta 1 and theta 2. Okay. So conditions for shaft in parallel. Number 1 condition, torque T, applied torque T equal to T1 plus T2. T1 equal to torque transmitted by shaft 1. T2 is the torque transmitted by shaft 2. Now, from torsion equation, considering rigidity, T by IP equal to G theta by L. T equal to torque transmitted by shaft. IP equal to polar moment of inertia. G equal to modulus of rigidity for shaft material, theta equal to angle of twist, L equal to length of the shaft. From this equation, T equal to g theta by L into IP. Now applied torque T equal to T1 plus T2. T1 equal to, this is T1, torque transmitted for shaft 1, G1 theta 1 by L1 into IP1 plus T2. T2 means G2 theta 2 by L2 into IP2. This is torque for shaft 2. Okay. Now, second condition for shaft in parallel, theta equal to theta 1 equal to theta 2. This is the theta. This is theta. Theta equal to total angle of twist equal to theta 1. Theta 1 equal to angle of twist for shaft 1 equal to theta 2. Theta 2 equal to angle of twist of shaft 2. Now, from torsion equation, considering rigidity T by IP equal to g theta by L, here T equal to torque transmitted by shaft, IP equal to polar moment of inertia, G equal to modulus of rigidity for shaft material, theta equal to angle of twist, L equal to length of the shaft. From this equation, theta equal to T into L by IP into G. So, theta equal to theta 1, this is theta 1, T1 L1 by IP1 G1 equal to theta 2, this is theta 2, angle of twist for shaft 2, T2 L2 by IP2 G2. For same material, G1 equal to G2. Okay. Previous case is normal case. Now case 2. Otherwise, the two ends are fixed. Jodi two end, this end and this end are fixed. At the junction should be subjected to a torque T. Two shaft, just like series. If two ends are fixed and subjected a torque T at the junction, then also shafts are said to be in parallel. It is just like series shaft, but end, this end and this end are fixed. In this case, it is considered as a parallel shaft. One of the diameter D1, length L1, connected in parallel with another shaft diameter D2 length L2. Let T be the applied torque which is distributed to the two shafts by T1 and T2. T is the applied torque, T1 and T2 reactive torque. Okay. For second case, same condition as previous. Condition for shaft in parallel is also in this case. Okay. Conditions for shaft in parallel. Number 1, T equal to T1 plus T2, same as previous. T1 torque transmitted by shaft 1, T2 torque transmitted by shaft 2, T is the applied torque. And second condition, angle of twist theta equal to theta 1 equal to theta 2. Theta 1 is the angle of twist for shaft 1, theta 2 is the angle of twist for shaft 2. It is clear, my student. Thank you.